Toyota Express Maintenance. The right price, the right quality, right now. Your time is valuable, so when your Toyota or Scion vehicle needs factory scheduled maintenance or minor repairs, don't let it slow you down. Toyota Express Maintenance is timed to fit your busy schedule. We get you in, get you out, and get you on your way. Quality workmanship, competitive pricing, and fast service. All from the one place you trust to do it right. Our dealership. Toyota Express Maintenance only uses genuine Toyota parts for peak performance and reliability. And all work is performed by our factory-trained technicians. Our two-man pit crew approach ensures quality and speed that's value-based. Express Maintenance service includes oil and filter change, brake inspection, tire rotation, fluids inspected and replenished, and Toyota's multi-point inspection. Our inspection process gives you a detailed report on your vehicle's performance, giving you peace of mind that your vehicle is in top condition. Quality service without the wait, so you can get in, get out, and get on your way. Hit the road with confidence with Toyota Express Maintenance. Call us today to schedule your next appointment.